Hey guys, welcome back. So yes, I've been sent another little budget basher from Banggood to check out for you guys. And yeah, this thing caught my eye straight away. It was the cheapest brushless I could find. And upon doing a bit of research, I actually found out that this is a HBX 16889 clone. And yeah, lots of upgrades and replacements readily available. But there's a couple of little features that are different from what you get from HBX that Pinecone have to offer. So yeah, let's take a quick look what's inside the box, and then we'll take a look at the truck and have a chat about it as well. There you go, guys. So inside the box we get an included, let me double check there, 1500 mAh 7.4, come on focus, lithium ion battery there, guys. You get an included USB charger. You get an included wheelie bar and screwdriver. I haven't installed that yet, but that's a nice little touch that they give you the wheelie bar. And you also get a set of included LED headlights with some zip ties to fix it. And you also get the instruction manual. Anything strange about that, guys? So yes, this is the SG1601, I believe. Lots of numbers, sorry if I got that wrong, but yeah, the instruction manual. I've got item number 16889. So yeah, this is pretty much the HBX manual. And one thing I noticed from watching a review of the HBX version is inside you get a set of HBX stickers. Not to be seen in this version. You get some information about your transmitter and receiver, and then obviously just your general generic instruction manual parts and whatnot. So yeah, missing stickers, but nevertheless, there's a little feature that SG have that HBX haven't, I believe. So a quick look at the transmitter. Yeah, really nice. That does has a bit of weight. 3 AA's in the bottom. The design looks very similar on the bottom there to my All-Star AX5. So maybe this is a rebranded AX4. I don't know, but it feels really nice. Just about one-handed steer. Got all the generic adjustments there on top. Steering trim, steering dual rates. Speed would be your throttle EPA, steering reverse and throttle reverse. Third channel there for your lights and an on-off button. So yeah, does the job. The range is pretty good, guys. I'd say about 80 to 100 meters. And here it is, guys, the SG1601 /HBX 16899. Lots of numbers, but yeah, there's two variants. I'll put some pictures there. So yeah, we got two variants of the SG and obviously two variants of the HBX. But what I would say, guys, is put all four on your wish list. Keep an eye because they do fluctuate in price. I picked this up when it was at its lowest, and I'm going to say it was about £56. And yeah, really impressed. I am thinking about buying another one, keeping this one as a dirt basher, and then getting the other one, the 02, with the spoiler and lower profile, as a little tearer for up and down the street. It's currently running WL Toys 14401 wheels. Yeah, thought I'd try these out. They're pretty fun for going up and down the street. Haven't tried them off road yet, but I'll try and get some footage in and some pictures of what it looks like with the stock wheels. And yeah, nice little body, different liveries there to the HBX, and nice little touch. You get these easy pull pins, and underneath what you get, let me get this out of the way and show you guys. It's a nice little sub body, so to speak. So yeah, it's a really low profile plastic cover that goes over the chassis. And yeah, it's done a really good job at keeping the mud out. I've recently given this a wash, but yeah, this was covered in mud. So yeah, it done its job, and everything underneath is still clean. Simple but effective. Held on with some Velcro stickies. It really does serve a purpose. I know it's something silly, but I am very. This is one of the things that I'm most impressed about with this truck. It's just yeah, it keeps your truck nice and clean. So another cool use, you can get out this little sub body or cover, we'll call it, is that I've taken a strap, and yeah, you can get away with strapping a bigger battery on top. So really impressed with that. And obviously now we got the 2600 milliamp, a lot more runtime, bit more weight as well for the truck. Another little cool thing you can do with a little subframe, pretty much the same method as the battery, but this time a little action cam, and yeah, you can get some really cool shots with this. And yeah, simple, easy to remove. And let me quickly get this battery out of the way. So yeah, underneath we've got the 390 brushless motor, a 2-in-1 brushless ESC, and as you can see then a 3-wire servo coming out there. I think this being the brushless version, we've got metal rear dog bones, and I believe that the internal differentials are also metal because this is the brushless. Metal main drive shaft, and then around the front then we've got plastic CVDs. I don't know if you can see in there, guys. I'll try and show you. So that's pretty much the drivetrain and motor and the electronics, so to speak. The shocks, pretty bouncy. I'm not going to lie, guys. For friction dampers, they're pretty bouncy. I was quite surprised how well they handled out on the trail. They handled pretty well for being friction dampers, but there were a few things that I weren't happy with. The rear were incredibly soft and had a habit of bottoming out. Let me show you that there. I got some silver screws, so that's where that's been scraping, and that's just going over some quite light bumps out on the tarmac. So I've as you can see, the shocks that way on the front, and on the back they're upside down. I've done a little modification to the shocks. I'll put some pictures up now to explain better. A little rubber grommet and a shock spacer put inside the shock, and that now limits the travel, and yeah, I no longer bottom out. So yeah, little mod, and yeah, simple but effective. Yes, this is a really cool little truck. It's fun to mess around with. Obviously I've changed the tires, adjusted the shocks and height, and this has quickly become my favorite little budget basher. It's cheap, it's lightweight, it's durable, it's fast as heck. Fair play, guys. And yeah, it's an overall blast out on the street, or even at the the jumps as well. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that notification bell as well, guys. New content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll catch you on the next one.